Bullish ARK cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.26 and $2.75 by 2030. Market investigators accept ARK could reach $1.26 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2022 is 22 cents. ARK presentation. ARK expects to make the most common way of making a blockchain simpler for people who maintain that should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can redo different components, including charges, money, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money associating this large number of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late in spite of having an overflow of utilization cases. We should more deeply study ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward hop into its cost forecast. What is ARK? Designers can construct their own blockchain utilizing the ARK biological system. Interoperability, formats, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own task on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while seeking after a blockchain task might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the environment's essential programming dialects. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin a designer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can arrange their groups utilizing the apparatus administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Unit, which gives additional customization choices including cache determination, is one of the designer devices accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. For the most part, network clients and engineers use it as a fast and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A appointed confirmation of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or fashion blocks, by permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative. ARK lessens the worries of centralization that have distressed different organizations. ARK Major Examination. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. At that point, in spite of the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest leap forward. Starting in December, the second emphasis of ARK was delivered, and subsequently, its base cost esteemed soar. That very day, its wallet was additionally refreshed, improving the agent casting a ballot UI. ARK took off to a most extreme worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell sharply. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had fundamentally declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's coordination of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it workable for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its greatest cost ascend to $3.98. Soon thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third forum went live. This redesign improved the biological system's instruments, foundation, and numerous different elements. It saw one more convention in 2022 as another update to Forum 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK crested at a greatest worth of $1.67 then, yet has since fallen and is exchanging at the very least cost of 77 cents. ARK Specialized Investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per wallet investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astounding speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK cryptographic money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost conjecture is at a greatest cost worth of $21. Price prediction made a comparable gauge, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the greatest cost of ARK Cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK current cost. ARK is right now worth 28 cents USD. ARK has moved 9.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,534,990. ARK is right now positioned 346 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $44,110,332 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for ARK to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. ARK Value Expectation 2022. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 42 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 39 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 33 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 70 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARK's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 56 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 61 cents. ARK Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 98 cents and ARK might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 89 cents and a low of 84 cents in 2024. ARK Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that ARK effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2025. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.26, with a base cost of $1.12 and a typical cost of $1.18. ARK Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.46 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.40 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ARK has a greatest value worth of $1.54. ARK Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.74. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.82. Neglecting to assemble the help ARK needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.68. ARK Value Expectation 2028. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.96 and a yearly cost close above $2.10 in 2028. ARK Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.24 and